Alrighty, everybody. Good morning.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
We're out here to dye up another shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last about 30 minutes. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. What you got planned for this one?
This is gonna be a blue bullseye.
A blue bullseye. That'll be interesting. We've never done one of those.
I'll go ahead and warn the people that I don't know how we're gonna do this when it gets any colder.
Yeah, it's quite cold out here now, people. We live in a place where it doesn't really get cold very much, but it's cold right now, so I don't know.
And it's only gonna get colder.
I don't think it'll get much colder than this.
Yes, it will.
Global warming, man. It's been warm this year. It was warm last year. I bet it'll be alright. We'll see. We'll take it day by day. We got some places where we can dye indoors. We have a shop and stuff like that, you know. So we have options, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, it is pretty cold, and like if it gets much colder, the dyes won't come out of the bottle. So
maybe we should start keeping them inside.
I mean, we will do that, but I'm talking about be able to dye stuff out here. We won't be able to. But we've got some places we might be able to rinse indoors. To the dyeing rack.
Okay.
Man, that thing's just out to get you, isn't it?
How to get you?
I know.
Okay.
Tumbling Rubbermaid. So a blue spiral. What colors we have? We have Glacier Blue. Yeah, it is quite chilly.
Okay, so that was Glacier. This is Cayman.
Cayman Isle Green, which is really blue. It's not green. Turquoise.
Okay, this is baby blue.
Baby blue.
Baby, not navy, baby.
Baby. Baby, baby, baby blue. What?
Not bird.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, put that on camera.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Is that lavender?
This is blue violet.
Blue violet. Ooh. That's a beautiful color.
I know.
We got a nice new color chart. Adds a lot of perspective. We got to show that thing on camera soon so that everyone will quit saying that all our shirts come out faded. Maybe I should just put the color chart as a disclaimer before every rinse and reveal.
Well, whatever. Most people don't understand that that's just how dye works.
Yeah, it's all good. I'm just messing with you people.
Who cares?
Hey, keep leaving comments. Run that algorithm.
Okay, so more Glacier, and then we wrap back around to the Cayman.
So, all told on this one, we have Glacier Blue, Cayman Isle Green, Baby Blue, and Blue Violet.
Yes, that is correct.
What a combo.
Correct.
I'm sure it's going to have a beautiful result. Bullseye pattern.
Yeah.
This is in fact a ice dye of sorts. Not a traditional style ice dye, just an ice dye in that it's near freezing outside. You got a fuzzy down there on the end, you see it? I don't know what that thing is. Oh, it looks like some strings. They'll be alright. It'll die. That blue violet is just such a deep, very intense color.
I know, I really like it.
Yeah.
gonna hit that back with some glacier.
A little more glacier to polish it off.
Whenever I do these bullseyes, I always kind of like to do a light color, then a darker color, then a lighter color, then a darker, so you can like really
Get
see.
a good transition going on.
Well, not only that, but you get, it's easier to...
More contrast.
Yeah, there you go. That's the word I'm looking for.
Yeah. Get better contrast.
Okay,
Looks real good.
all done. All done.
To the drying rack.
To the drying rack.
Oh. Bottom shelf where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.